What's up, y'all? It's your Master Lee.
And Lulu.
All right, we are at the LINQ Promenade. About 9 o'clock at night. Figure it's a nice time for a stroll. It's actually beautiful out weather today. It is crazy out here today. Why? Because it's 4th of July weekend. And they just set up the fireworks and now people just milling about. So you got a big old crowd today.
I love this place.
This is a great place to walk.
I don't feel like I'm in Vegas at night here.
I know. You know what this feels like? It feels like one of those fake streets that Disney would create. I'm asking to see if you're going to see anything.
Yeah, it's like Disney.
Man, it is a lot of people out here, huh, folks? It's crazy.
It's literally day and night.
Literally.
Literally.
Literally. There's all the neon lights. The sights and sounds all come out too. There's a lot more people out there in the day. At night compared to the day. It's just too hot out here. You know what I'm saying? Just too hot. And unfortunately, getting hotter. Udet's drawn to live music.
Na. that's it. We are at the end of the promenade.
See them coming at you. By the way, I got a trick for you all right? Drinks along the strip, super expensive. Crazy expensive. My recommendation is to get like a drink from someplace nearby in the middle, right? Like a McDonald's, or in this case, Buddy's, which is a Jersey-based type of eatery in the LINQ. Because you can get refills there. So as you're walking down the strip and you come back, you're probably going to have it, emptied up in your cup and you're thirsty. And the idea here is get your free refill then. What I don't recommend you do is get one of those big old tall frozen margarita cups during the day. At night, perfectly fine. But during the day, it is so hot. And alcohol dehydrates you even further, and you're just going to get plastered so much faster. So, just a word of caution. You're in Vegas. Do what you want. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, you ain't going to listen to me. I'm just saying, better to do that at night. All right, we're going to head on back to the Flamingo. We got $10 in free credit to spend there. And they have a side entrance here at the LINQ. All right, the show's been over now for probably an hour. And, man, this place is still pretty packed. That fireworks show did start really late. I actually thought they were going to have some trouble this year getting it off the ground because people were crammed in there like sardines, and that thing wasn't going off. The people would have waited for like an hour, I think, wondering if it was going to go off. Luckily, you did. They hurried through it, and now what you have here is basically the leftover crowd for the night. So this is not typical of Las Vegas, although it is packed, record-breaking crowds every single month. We'll see if it holds up during the recession, but so far, y'all just keep coming. Keep on coming. Ooh, how do I miss this during the day? I gotta stop at this place, baby. You know what that logo is? That's a Razer logo. It's a peripheral company. They make joystick mice. Basically, this was like Geek Central. How could I miss this before? Oh, snap. You know what this place feels like? This place feels like mini E3. They got a game going on there. The latest laptop peripherals. Wait a minute, what's this? Oh, this is like esports location they got going on here. How cool is that? How cool is that? Geek Central, huh, baby? For gamers, by gamers.
How you guys doing today?
Good, how you doing? I see you guys have chairs back there. You guys actually hold tournaments here?
So those are mostly for like corporate events or like let's say when we have team up like we sponsor again. We do something with those.
Oh, okay.
It's also for
But not
the-
regularly, you guys don't have regular events there?
We're trying to update them right now. That's why they're kind of up.
Ah, I see.
You
Okay.
can though try the chairs. The chairs you're free. Feel free to sit them. Okay?
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yeah,
I was just wondering if you guys were having competitions or anything. All right, there you go. It's been a while since I had competitions, he said. I do have a Razer mouse, yeah. They're expensive. They're definitely not cheap. Like they're high-end mice. Maybe this one over here. There you go. You look like She-Hulk turning green. Okay, you can have pink one. All right, that was cool. How do we walk by this 3 times and never even noticed it? Never even noticed it.
I don't think they're open.
Maybe they weren't open today. Very possible. Or if you want a bistro, this place here off the strip is a place that's happening pretty good. It's out of the way. That's why it isn't always packed. The stuff right on the strip, super packed. There's also a correlation with super packed plus super high prices. Walk a little bit further back here, the promenade, you'll be able to find stuff that's just a little bit cheaper. All right, folks, we're back at the Flamingo. Down that way takes you to the strip. That's about it for us. We're going to head on to the Flamingo. Hope you guys enjoy this walking tour. We will catch you next time if you're ever out here in Vegas. Peace out.